Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Hene kasngi kalai trek unailar, ke Lady Keane College Shillong, kalaya ban play ba saya kawai ke course Thymmai, hakani ke college, kabalatip kum ke Department of Tourism and Travel Management. Ya kani ke Tnat Pule ke Thymmai, jong ke Lady Keane College, la play ba do Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla, u Dr. Mukul Sangma, u balalong kongsan hak jelang. Ringkat ke jingdan lang, ke principal jong ke college, ke Dr. C. Masar. Kini kai bat kisam la Pule. Habaya tu lengkot kendiat sepang kani ke college. Ke principal kalaya tu baka Lady Keane College. Kelas dang ya ke diploma course hak subjek tourism. Nadu usnam ar-hajar pra. Kat baya ke degree course layak ban sedang mentau usnam.
Lady Keane as an institution has not had the privilege of just nurturing students from our own state, but from the whole region. My late mother had the privilege of being a student of this college as well, besides my wife being one of the students. So the connect and the pride that I would like to share with all of you when any good thing happens here. It was a great privilege for me also to inaugurate that homestays facility in Auckland, and I'm very happy to know that it's doing wonderfully well. And it's setting a new benchmark for others to look at what kind of opportunities are available in our own backyard. Friends, there is no other sector which is most inclusive sector in as far as generating opportunities is concerned. It's just tourism and nothing else. Just kindly hold this side. It's a beautiful opportunity.
Small one.
Dedicated to our young friends and for the ultimate transformative changes that you will be bringing. And how many of you?
Come forward. She's from.
And you're from?
Introduce yourself.
From Mairang. Okay. Mairang, we are creating one small product in Nongpa. Okay, we have sanctioned. That will be after we complete the whole construction, then we hand it over to community. Then the community will tie up with professionals to run. Okay. So that's how we are trying to promote this community tourism. Because only when community themselves start connecting with this sector, then only you will see more and more people looking at tourism as an opportunity. So see your potential. So we are creating that circuit. That's why we are building beautiful road to Maphanlur. Then we will promote this Nongkhnum. So this whole exists two gardens. You have seen Nongkhnum? Yes. Take them to Maphanlur with my MIE, Meghalaya Institute of Entrepreneurship. Take them to Maphanlur and Nongkhnum. Nongkhnum road is still bad because I have given around 5 crore to Maphanlur last year. So this year we are trying to perform Korpora. Guwahati Pura. Okay. ভাল লাগিছে এতে? Okay, great. Come. Nagaland from which part? Kohima. Yes. All the best. From Mosna, another potential place. Beautiful place.